what's up guys? It's your boy Bathala Adventure PH, ang iyong mga kaugat. So for today's video po, invite po tayo ng isang kaibigan dahil may handaan. Kasi po kakatapos lang ng ating fasting. So Eid ngayon, Eid Mubarak po sa lahat ng mga kapatid nating Muslim dyan. So taon-taon po nagse-celebrate tayo or nagpe-perform po ako ng fasting. Gawa po ng ito po yung communication natin sa God. Kumbaga hindi siya actually nagpa-fasting tayo dahil sa nagpa-fasting din yung kasama mong Muslim or yung required talaga. Hindi. Ang fasting po ay kung gaano ka-faithful sa ating Ama. Yun. So, kasi pwede mong sabihin na fasting ako pero pagdating ng bahay hindi naman. So, kumbaga ang fasting is a relationship nyo between you and God. So, kayo lang dalawa nakakaalam yan kung totoong nagpa-fasting ka or hindi. So, ngayon tapos na tayo nag-fasting at okay naman, basic na lang sa akin yung fasting na yan kasi matagal ko nang ginagawa. So, nag-break na tayo ng fasting kahapon. So, ngayon nag-celebrate tayo ng Eid. Kaya, samahan niyo pa ako guys dahil invited tayo ng isang kapatid natin. May handaan ngayon, celebration ng Eid holidays. So, Eid Mubarak pala. Eid holidays, Eid Mubarak, pareho lang yun. So yun, let's go guys. And Eid Mubarak again sa lahat ng mga kapatid nating Muslim. Let's go! Oh, wait pala, wait. Pasensya na nga pala. Dahil hindi tayo nakapag-upload during 1 month, alam nyo na, dahil fasting tayo. So, talagang kinukonsider ko yung isang buwan na yan na pagtuunan lang ang fasting ko. So hindi ako nag-upload. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung workout natin. Sa paggabi nag-workout ako. Sa umaga hindi ako makag-workout kasi nga fasting. So sa gabi ako nag-workout tapos ng break. Nag-break ako ng fasting. Then siguro mga 2 hours nag-workout ako. Hindi na ako nag-video kasi nga part pa rin yun ng Ramadan. So, part pa rin ng pag-aayuno yun. So, useless kasi na sa umaga, nag-upload tayo ng video which is fasting tayo nun. So, it's better na cut off tayo ng 1 month. So, mag-start ulit tayo ngayong buwan na to. So, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking improvement dahil nabawasan ulit tayo ng timbang. So, pag workout ko ulit this coming May 7 kasi nakabakasyon din yung gym, nag-close din sila during Ramadan kasi during Eid nagko-close sila yung iba 5 days, yung iba 3 days lang. So depende sa company kung ilang bakasyon ang ibibigay sa kanila dahil para makapag-celebrate naman ng Eid holidays yung ating mga kapatid. So hanggang dito na lang at samahan niyo ako guys, let's go! Guys, ulang pa. Kararating ko lang, sakto lang. So, kain na, let's go.
Yeah, bitch so bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot. Girl, you too bad for me not to press you, yeah. Young fly nigga, I don't follow all these rules, yeah. Bitch, I'm making tunes, I ain't missing, I won't lose. Let's go to an island where the water around is blue. I got 2 bad bitches in the coupe. 42 in the bottle, glasses on full too. Ain't no games, I ain't playing, I want you, yeah. Take a trip, let's go shopping, I got blues, yeah. We got options, you can choose. Yeah, you want it, I can buy it, ain't no rules, yeah. I'm just saying, let me help you upgrade you, yeah. Fuck that nigga, he don't care about you, yeah. Girl, move on. He can't treat you like I do, my money too long. I got homies for your friends and we can group on. We are early, hit our shot like Curry. Bitch, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want. with you. Way you move it, I'm sticking like some glue with you. Got you doing all the things he never do with you. Got the smile and the vibe is something new with you. We could take a jet back and I done set back. Counting cash in the bumblebee, a yellow drop vid. I've been doing a lot of shit that they never tried yet. Have your ice real frozen, you might get frostbite. Yeah, I just wanna do the dash. I'ma always put you first, never put you last. Way you shake that ass made me wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, that I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot.
Yo, what's up guys? So dito na po nagtatapos ang ating vlog. At maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. So stay put lang po kayo at tuloy-tuloy na ulit yung video natin sa ating Balikalindog program. So shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan at Eid Mubarak po again sa lahat ng mga kapatid natin Muslim at sa lahat na rin po. So hanggang dito lang po and see you sa mga susunod na vlog.